para sa naging update ng Facebook post ng The Philippines. Congratulations for putting the Philippines on the world stage with your Wakas at Simula. You make us so proud, Mahalima. Love, the Philippines. The Philippines Facebook post SB19 draws worldwide crowd to the Philippines. Wakas at Simula was a massive success. 18 our P-pop kings shined at the SMDC Festival grounds with thunderous performances of their biggest hits, drawing fans from across the world and turning the moment into a true global celebration in the Philippines. The sold-out shows was co-produced by Live Nation, PH, Managing Director Riza Pascua, and 1Z Entertainment, and was directed by Paulo Valenciano. Our Mahalima made us all proud and ecstatic, delivering an unforgettable finale to their concert series. We feel the power SB19. Follow Tourism Philippines to discover more amazing cultural performances and destination. Well, after the big event, ang concert, ay narito naman nga po ang mga ganap ng Mahalima. Ang samot-sari nga pong photos ng kanila nga pong pagkain. Siyempre, after the big event, eat well Mahalima, just seeing you eat made my heart full and happy. Mula kay 18 Angelica in Hong Kong. Grabe, ang daming puyat at pagod ang ginawa ng SB19 para nga po sa kanilang concert. Kaya naman deserve nila ang ganitong pagkain ngayon. Samantala, marami pa rin ang hindi makaget over sa pasando ni Pinunong Pablo. Kilala kasi si Pinunong Pablo sa napaka-conservative pagdating sa pananamit. So dahil nga siya ay natalo sa nasabi nga pong dare nila ng SB19 sa Weavers Live, ayan na nga po ang naging punishment. Pero ayon nga sa mga fans, para lang daw estudyante na nagsando itong si Pablo. Samantala, sa post naman ni Christian Bao, ibinahagi niya na historic congratulations at SB19 officials and Direct Paulo Valenciano. Stay tuned for more upcoming international collabs from SB19 officials that you'll be able to watch on All Out Sunday soon. So marami pa po talagang aabangan sa SB19 after the big concert. And of course, back to voting na nga po, mga Kaps. SB19 ay muli na namang nominado sa SEC Awards. Nako, mukhang taon-taon talaga ay paborito ng SEC ang SB19. 18, the mission is clear. Our Mahalima are nominated at the SEC Awards once more, and it's time to show the world the unstoppable force of the Filipino spirit. SB19 has been breaking boundaries and carrying the flag now. We carry them to the winner's circle. We don't just participate, we dominate. Let's turn those nominations into trophies and remind everyone why SB19 is the ultimate global P-pop powerhouse. So, pumunta lang po kayo sa mga link na ibinabahagi po ng mga 18 para po maiboto ang SB19 at makamit ang trophy. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching.